across it.
Here's
No
some
fishing.
footage from last
You can cross
weekend
it.
at Future Ball. Check it out. As you can see, my hop up is turned up way too high. And do I fix it? Nah, hell nah. I should just keep shooting over everybody's head.
They know we're here.
They're blind firing.
Look how far over the shack I'm shooting, man, and I still don't fix it.
We can't even move. We're pinned down.
I got you.
This was a bad spot.
Yep.
And I can't see shit from the left. No, like there's no angle.
There's two on that light. One to the left side of the light. One hand, too high.
Woo! I gotta move.
I promise I'm not trying to hit these two guys here behind the tree line. My hop up is hot to hit this guy. This kid is dug in right here. He's using the cover perfectly, but he's making it hard for me to peek. I'm trying to peek, but it's hard because I'm farther away from the bunker than I want to be, and if I peek too much, I'm gonna be an easy target.
Guys behind the blue with the white.
Hey, can you lay it down straight so I can get to the boat?
Boat, yes, I can get you in the boat. Go now, go now. Where's he at? Nobody on the right?
Yeah, in the house.
The right side?
How many left there?
No, there's another one. I don't know, from the left side.
There's two on the left. They went all the way to the back.
Behind the car?
No, on the left. There's somebody way in the back.
Can you see where?
Nope, he's I think he's in the, yeah, he's all the way in the back. In the window.
You sure it's on the left, right?
Okay, I see BB's coming this way.
See me?
Back right, back right. Back right. White container.
Can't cross 50, he said.
He said we can or we can't?
Yeah, the car is 50, that's as far as we can go. There's one guy that I think maybe two.
Yeah.
Okay. Intimidation technique. Hey, pick up a band next time, huh?
Yeah, you can cross 50. Oh, we can now?
We can? Oh, there's more.
He was shooting at him. He's out. Oh, crap. We're gonna get he's out.
Is that it? Is that it?
Like the video, leave a like, subscribe.
Tyler,
and
is
go check
that
out
it?
some of my other videos, man. Thanks for watching.